Hi, it's Marla from marlameredith.com. Today I've got the most delicious breakfast for you guys. It's my overnight banana nut Bircher Muesli. It couldn't be easier to prepare. This recipe is inspired by my travels to Switzerland and Austria. This is what you'll find on the breakfast tables every morning. It's super healthy, budget friendly, and completely delicious. Let's get started. These are all whole food ingredients, so super healthy. We're gonna use 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Don't use the quick cut. Use the old-fashioned oats in this recipe, please. A 1/3 cup of raisins. I've combined golden raisins and regular raisins. I'm gonna use a handful of slivered almonds. You should toast these before you use them. You just put them in a skillet, heat them on low until they're fragrant to toast them. 1/2 cup of yogurt. I use plain Greek yogurt for this. You can use sweetened if you want. I just don't want the extra sugar. We're going to use 1.5 cups of milk. You can use any kind of milk you love. Coconut milk, almond milk, regular milk. Could this be any easier? It all goes into one bowl and you mix it up. It's perfect. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and a splash of vanilla extract. And then we're gonna use 1 mashed banana. Bananas you use should certainly be quite ripe so you have the natural sweetness from them and also so you can mash them easily. We're gonna go ahead and add it to the rest of the mixture. Now we're just gonna mix it all together. I told you guys this couldn't be easier. So combine well. I'm gonna add a splash of lemon juice. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of maple syrup. I don't want it too sweet, so I'm just gonna add a little. You can add honey, agave, whatever your favorite sweetener is. You can even add some jam, that would be delicious too. And now, your Bircher Muesli is ready for the fridge. So we're just gonna cover this up with some plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to overnight. I always recommend that you put it in the fridge overnight because then it's gonna get that beautiful creamy texture that you want. I just pulled the muesli from the fridge and it is looking gorgeous and all ready for breakfast. It's creamy, the oats have cooked in the fridge. All they did was soak and they're like the perfect texture. I'm just gonna go ahead and load it up with some more almonds, some raisins, and bananas. You can put on whatever fruit you have on hand. And a little splash of maple, and breakfast is served. For the complete recipe, head to marlameredith.com.